Consummation for customers of life that ticks on the talks from a clock. The comfy notice fight the sapiens next move. Time is running late, so come all of you, let's move for the rest of the day. The program is uncertain, got to catch up with them villain serpents. Evolution from a greedy groovement. Information coming in but not enough for going out. Let's get on with the process, consequent all of the system. Say 800, 74, 75, 76 and the count keeps on going. Yes, I have seen the drawing of foreign sister on the twilight in the dark night. A funky vibe from Herbie, yes, good vibe from Herbie in the dark night, in the twilight. Let me tell you, let's get on with the process, cause it with all of the system. And if you want to understand what this is all about, take a minute of reflection, take a minute of reflection. And don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water. Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water.
Elämän menossa, temmossa, lennossa, siepari ruis pelossa, mä luen levossa, ei syytä olla pelossa, silloin kun ollaan elossa, maailma sekasi ja viisarit vaan pyörii kellossa, ihmiset sittaa omassa, hennossa, kedossa, jossa, flossa, on se tänään semmoista, mut edelle, pitää kestää, vedellä, sun silmäs pestää, Mekelinin kadut käännyin kauniiseen puistoon, nousin ylös talo, jos elää niin monta muistoa. Kättelin mun friendi, kysyin siltä mitä kuuluu. Lääket väsyttää ja pistää lisää niitä suuhun. Mennään röökille ja hoitaa siellä meitä kyttää. Verkkoaita estää ettei kuka partsit hyppää. Kaverini hiljainen ja kasvoistansa kalpee. Mielisairaalamesta missä todellisuus halkee.
Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water. Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water. Believing that we were running away from what I really wanna know. Well, now you see that we've been hanging over the real top. We are living man and yes we got work to do, but still we'll be passing by tonight, holding you all tight in every way that we can. From the beginning till the end, you'll be still remembering the words of our good fathering, and they'll be talking about it years to come. From the beginning till the end, they won't be stopping and I won't be refusing. Say we gotta keep on doing, yes, this progression. You're coming on with the good lyrics and you know that is devotion, yeah. Well, the sound is as best as it never gets, and you are doing it every time and went from the unreflect. So put up your hands in the air and don't stop from going progress. I've been listening to the words of our good milliness, and I don't want to be away from my part of this. Oh, listen to the word, I have to tell you this is true. Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water. Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you hear it sound? Like disturbed mumbling water.
ACK, tällaista siistei. Joten minne sulla hoppu, minne te juoksette, koska tulee loppu ja minkä vuoksi kuolette? Ulos vaan, Babylonissa on kaikki kunnossa, kaikki jälki istunnossa, istutaan tunnossa, unossa, sulossa, asa sisällä pullossa, runossa, voidaan yhdessä päättää mitä tulossa, ajatuksia aikamoisia, miten oisit toisin, sosiaalisoisin sielullesi, silloin rauhan soisin, demokratisoisin parempaa, huomiseen uskoisin, valvoisin, koska viime jälkeen koittaa valoisin, miten paremmin sanoisin, jos minä sinä oisin, ruokaa varastoisin, ehkä jopa Jumala valvoisin, parempaa toivoisin, se käsin sydämen vannoisin, jos voisin, jos minä sinun stereoissa soisin.
Don't make a sound. Far away in the night there is a fountain, can you